Retailer of the Year under 450 square meters. And we'd like to invite up Dominique Miller from Completely Retail Marketplace to give this away.
And in this category you have
Dominique,
three nominees.
welcome.
Carpisa, Manicure Express, and Yes.
So Dominique, before reading out the winner, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you're doing and especially the exciting expo that we're running together in Prague.
I thought you might do this, Craig. Yeah, Craig and I and Julie are working on a deal-making, retail deal-making expo event in Prague in October, and we all hope that we still see most of you here. See most of you there for it. It's going to be amazing. We run events in London and Stockholm and Amsterdam, but this award is all about the little people. And I'm absolutely delighted that I can pronounce who's won this award. The specialty retailer under 450 square meters is Yes.
Yes is the winner.
Congratulations. Yes, congratulations. Please say a few words.
Good evening, everybody. It's a great proud for us to receiving this prize, and it's a challenge, huge challenge to getting better and better. Thank you very much again.
Thank you.
Yeah, come join us for a photo.